Oh, here we are at their escape hatch. Now, these are just the regular plastic ones. Not been anything done to them. Came with the kit. No beeswax or anything like that on them. We're pulling these out because I already pulled 5 out earlier. Because according to my bee guy, and for those who don't know, if you're in the North Carolina area, you need bees. I'm going to recommend Brian Fisher out of Concord. He's on Facebook. I just bought bees from him. It's this nook right here. And as you can see, I mean, look at that. It's a 5-frame nook, whatever you want to call it, however you want to pronounce it. But somewhere in there is a queen with a white dot on her. But Brian was extremely helpful, extremely informative, answered all of mine and my wife's questions without hesitation, without complaint. Even gave me some beeswax to rub on these frames, so that way it would encourage the bees to build upon them. And I'm putting them in like this for now, because that way we stick the frames in here. We'll go in between these, so that way the bees will build on these ones as well. And we're going to leave it right like that for a little bit. And I'll put this cover right here on. Look at that. Got one bee going in there already. Are they checking it out? And look, here comes Mr. Bumblebee. Here you go, Mr. Bumblebee. Have a landing strip. There's a bumblebee coming over here. If he'll slow down long enough, I can catch his slow, clumsy butt. There he is, Mr. Bumblebee. Coming and checking things out. As you can see, I mean, they're coming all in and out of here. So, it's gonna be fun with the kids. Jameson said he's gonna be our Mr. Beekeeper. So, even had one along for the ride there. I'm gonna leave it right like that for right now. All right, we'll be back, y'all.